Hello folks, I hope you're all fine, happy, healthy, and of course wealthy. In this video I'm going to show you how to buy your first NFT, how to purchase your first NFT. We are on the OpenSea.io website, which is the biggest NFT marketplace, and in here we are going to buy our first NFT non-fungible token. Before we proceed, I have some notes here. Purchasing your first NFT, the things required. The first thing, you need a wallet, an Ethereum wallet. So since we are using here the OpenSea and Ethereum blockchain, so we have to have a wallet, Ethereum wallet, and here I'm using the MetaMask wallet. In a previous tutorial I have explained how to completely set up your MetaMask wallet. I will put the link in the description, you can watch that one. And the second step you need to do is you have to have some Ethereum token in your wallet. So in our case, we just created an account on Coinbase and bought some Ethereum, then transferred that one to MetaMask wallet. I will put the link in the description on how to transfer it from MetaMask or from Coinbase to MetaMask wallet. And the second thing that we need is an NFT marketplace. In here we are using OpenSea. And the fourth step is that you have to connect your NFT marketplace account to your wallet. So in the previous video also I have connected my MetaMask wallet with the OpenSea, so you can watch that one. These are the prerequisites, these are the requirements in order to get into the NFTs and to purchase, to mint, to sell, to auction your NFTs and your artworks. Alright, so another thing that you have to consider is always try to buy at the floor price. The goal is to buy as low as possible. So when you're searching for the NFT, when you yourself you're creating NFT, in that case, so you just can auction and sell it. That's another scenario. But when you're buying NFT, try to buy those NFTs which the prices are really low, even as low as the floor price, and but they have the potential to grow. The prices has the potential to grow. So just search for those kind of NFTs and purchase them. In order to find those kind of NFTs, you can just dig into a lot of Twitter accounts, Discord accounts. They just explain things and explaining why these specific NFTs have the potential to grow. So you just follow that. After you buy your you purchase your first NFT, when you're selling your NFT, make sure to sell it with the profit. It should cover the expenses like minting price. Of course, for the first time, specifically in OpenSea, when you mint, you are paying a specific amount between 50 to 100 US dollar, and then make sure to cover that one. And also the fees. There is gas and listing fees. When you mint, when you auction your NFT, when you sell it, you have to pay some fees and some royalties. Now you buy an NFT from so let's say an owner, a creator who created the first time. So he or she will receive a specific percentage of royalties each time that that specific NFT is being bought or sold out in the market. So that one, and also the margin, of course, your own profit. So these are the things that you have to consider while selling your NFT. In here we are not selling NFTs, so these are the points that I just wanted to mention. And you can just put your NFT, and people can send offer. Every time they send the offer, you will receive an email, and you at the deadline you just check the offers and sell your NFT, just the best offer you have received. Alright, so in here specifically we are just purchasing our first NFT. Let's go to the OpenSea NFT marketplace. Here I have already connected my wallet. This is my wallet, MetaMask wallet, and in here I have a small amount of Ethereum. And okay, so let's go and search the NFT we want to purchase. Click all NFTs. In here you can select collectibles and different categories. So on the right side here you can filter. let's say I have 0.0.166 Ethereum. The maximum price which I want to pay is 0.0.0666. So I want to apply. So all the NFTs, it will be filtered according to this price. And in here you can just there are two types. One is that you can buy directly with Ethereum, and another thing that you can place bid with the rapid Ethereum. So I have explained this one in a previous video. You can watch that one. So we want to directly buy, so I click buy now. So these are the Ethereums, these are the NFTs you can buy directly, and or we can make an offer. You can see there are a lot of NFTs, the prices are really low, even zero, so just you can purchase them. And from here you can filter different categories. On sale, on sale you can filter according to different tokens and different kinds of chain: Ethereum, Polygon, Solana. And here we are just filtering on Ethereum specifically. And this one is really cool. The price is also low, and different kind of collection you can just filter. But I have already filtered. I have already added some of them in my favorite list. When you like an NFT and you want to keep an eye, you just click favorite. It will be added to your favorite list. Alright, let's go to my profile, and I have a favorite list here. This is my favorite list. You can see I have added different kinds of NFTs here, and they are my favorites. I'm gonna purchase some of them, and specifically these domain names with the extension .eth. They're really cool, and I'm gonna purchase some of them. Alright, so in here let's purchase an art, not domain. This one I cannot buy directly. I can just place a bid. Alright, here we found another NFT. You can see the price is 0, but we have to pay a little bit of gas fee. The gas fee is $50, but at the moment still is insufficient. And if I click here, you can edit the gas fee. If you click low, it will just take longer time. If you click market, so aggressive, less than 15 seconds, it will be transferred. And this is just the gas fee. I click on low. Let's see if we can purchase that one now. Okay, let's wait if we can. Yeah, here we can confirm. Yes, so we have purchased the NFT we wanted, and we paid. So the price was 0, but the gas fee is really high, so just consider that one always. And now I have purchased this, and I can just sell it directly, or I can put that one for the auction so others can send me offer. And let's go to my profile and see. This is our collected. We have one here. You can see all the details. 67 views owned by me, and just see the details. So, and after you purchased, you can go to your MetaMask wallet, and here you can just refresh, and you can see the transaction. Before I had around 47 worth of US dollar Ethereum, and now I have only this amount. And you can see this is the transaction done. Just click on that and see the details. The amount, you can see all the details: gas limit, gas use, gas base fee, and all the details you can just see. Overall, I just paid $30 to purchase that NFT, and you can see activity log and the transaction data. Alright, thank you very much. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Every now and then I'm uploading videos related to NFTs, metaverse, cryptocurrencies, and e-commerce, online stores and stuff, web development, and make sure to hit the like button. If there is anything, you can just comment below. I would be happy to get back to that and see what is that suggestion or objection. And thank you very much. Have a good time. Bye bye.